In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram Reels in just 24 hours using Canva. It's quick, easy, and you'll be amazed by how professional your final product looks. Whether you're promoting your business, sharing a personal moment, or just having fun, Canva is a fantastic tool to bring your creativity to life. So, grab your device and let's get started. First, open Canva on your computer or mobile device. Canva is incredibly user-friendly, perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Once you're in, type Instagram Reels into the search bar. This will bring up a selection of templates specifically designed for Instagram Reels. These templates are a great starting point. They save time by taking care of dimensions and layout, allowing you to focus on customization. Next, browse the templates and choose one that matches your style or theme. Canva offers options from fun and vibrant to sleek and minimalist, so you're sure to find something that aligns with your vision. Click on your chosen template to move to the editing stage. Now, it's time to customize your template. Click on Customize this template to open the editing interface. Canva's drag and drop editor makes it easy to adjust elements, change colors, and add images. You can also edit the text by clicking directly on any text box, include key messages or calls to action to engage your audience. If your initial video is too long or too short, don't worry. You can easily adjust the duration to fit your content. Instagram Reels perform best when they're short and engaging, capturing viewers' attention right away. On the right side, click the three dots for more options, then select Split Page. This allows you to break your reel into multiple clips. If any segment isn't needed, simply delete it. Editing is that simple. Once your reel looks perfect, preview it to make sure everything flows smoothly. Then follow Canva's export instructions to save and download your reel, choosing the quality settings optimized for Instagram. And that's it. You've just created a dynamic, eye-catching Instagram reel using Canva. Share it with your followers, monitor engagement, and watch your content shine. By following these steps, you can quickly produce professional reels, stay on top of trends, and keep your audience engaged. Until next time, keep creating, have fun, and let your creativity flow with Canva.